Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include cold weather package, bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, Uconnect system. Make a great choice today with the 2020 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.